Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome, bienvenidos, and no, it's your girl Amofa.o, and on today's video, I feel like everybody says, and on today's video, okay, well, so today I am showing you different ways that you can style your kinky braids. Now this I did myself. It is a DIY. Unfortunately, I didn't record as I was doing it because I literally sat down in front of my laptop and I watched a series on Amazon. If you have Amazon Prime, you should definitely check it out. It's Little Fires Everywhere, Kerry Washington and Reese Witherspoon, and it was captivating. In fact, that's the reason why I finished my hair when I did. In fact, to be honest, I watched the entire season while braiding my hair, so that just shows how much time it took, and the fact that I had to stop like halfway or some bits in the movie, and I'm like, Pearl, come on, Pearl, you're gonna friend zone him? No, he is the guy, he's the guy, he's the one for you. But it never goes as you want it to go, obviously. But okay, I'm going to be showing you different ways that you can style your kinky braids this summer, because this is an excellent protective style throughout the summer. And the good thing about it is that it is really lightweight. Not only that, if you have natural hair, the older it gets, the more beautiful it becomes, in my opinion. So I'm definitely going to be using it throughout the summer vacation. But then again, I do know how to braid my own hair, so I might get tired and just do something else. So the first style I'm showing you is this beautiful style. It is just literally, I put my hair in the center part and I held it back at the back with a band, and this is what it comes up to. So this is style 1. Alright, so this is another way that you can style your hair. Is literally just a messy bun all the way up. I don't tend to really do this, but once in a while, maybe if I know I just don't want to feel hair on my back, or if you're the kind of person that likes your hair all up in a bun when you're going about, this is another cool hairstyle for you. This is just me with the entire hair to the front, and I'm feeling like, I don't know, Brandy or Monica, I don't know, can't remember, but the boy is mine type of vibe anyway. So. Now another way you can do this is in a half up, half down style. So I'm gonna take half of the hair, holding that back, and taking only this portion. And again, you can have just this portion come to the front and have the rest down like this. Or, so this is another way you could style your hair. This is a half up, half down. I just use pin to like tucking any loose hair that I see that is not in place. So this is it. Now for this one, you could also do something cute. Just take out one, trying not to make everything collapse. Oh, that's not the one I wanted to take out, but it's okay. Take out another one. So this is another way to style it. You just bring out 2. People usually bring out the 2 that are in the center here, but I pulled out 1 first, and I don't think it's actually bad. This is another way to style it. Now another one I'm going to show you is also half up, half down, but instead of having 1 bun, we're going to have 2 buns. Now, while I was braiding my hair, I did create a center part and a side part so that I could have various ways to style the hair. So this is one way. You could keep it like this, or you could create it into a bun. So this is another one. So now I feel like Lauryn Hill, or is it someone from Star Trek or Star Wars? I don't know. If you're the type of person that doesn't like your hair to be on top of your head, if you know what I mean. So like I said, I told you that I had a center part, so I could just literally leave my hair all out like this and go about my business. Or be that type of girl who just lets her hair down like this. But trust me guys, especially in the heat of Guadalajara, I would literally have pulled my hair back up into a ponytail or done my original style to the back, or if I'm in the house, just wear a bonnet on my head. Ask my husband, that's how I always walk around in the house. But this is another cool way to style, especially if you have some hair jewels. You could put one or two here, and that will be all. So I hope that with all the styles I have shown you, you have different ways to style your protective braids this summer. And don't forget to leave a comment for me in the comment section. Tell me which one you liked. Was it number 1, 2, or 3, 4, 5, 6? I don't even know how many I did at this point. I probably won't know until I edit the video, but tell me which one you like, either by description or by the number. And I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to share the video, share it on your social medias. So on that note, this is how I'm going to go around the rest of today. This is basically like style number 1. It's just that it is not a center part, it is a deep side part. So until next time guys, bye.